Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm about to show you a cleaning hack for your toilet that you've probably never tried before. We're going to create a powerful mixture using two surprising ingredients: cola and toothpaste. You may have heard that cola is great for cleaning toilets, but when we combine it with toothpaste, the results are even more impressive. Stick around, and I'll demonstrate how to make and use this incredible toilet cleaning remedy. First, let's start by pouring some cola into a container. Cola has been known for its cleaning properties, but we're going to take it a step further by adding toothpaste to the mix. Toothpaste is also a fantastic cleaner for your toilet. Add a generous amount of toothpaste to the cola and stir everything together until the toothpaste is completely dissolved. Now that our two power ingredients are mixed, we're going to use an ice cube mold to create cleaning cubes. By freezing the mixture, we can have the perfect amount ready to use whenever we need to clean the toilet. This way, we avoid wasting excess ingredients, as a small amount is sufficient for an effective clean. Once the cubes are frozen and ready, simply take one and toss it into your toilet bowl. You'll notice it starts to dissolve immediately upon contact with the water. Allow it to dissolve completely before moving on to the cleaning step. Now, it's time to clean your toilet. Grab your trusty toilet brush and start scrubbing away. Thanks to the cola and toothpaste combination, you can easily remove even the toughest stains, calcium deposits, and urine scale. Not to mention, the toothpaste leaves your toilet smelling fresh and clean. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly effective toilet cleaning hack. No more expensive cleaners or harsh chemicals needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Happy cleaning!